Hello guys, so this is how to download your Lumen5 video. So I have a video that I made here. So there's this transcript, there's the video itself. I can see a preview from right
Cognitive
here.
dissonance is the mental discomfort.
And the only thing left for me to do is just click on this publish button. So if I do that, and then just wait for it to load up. And now it's just gonna be rendering the video. It might take a couple of minutes. But in the meantime, there are a bunch of actions that you can take, and you can also set the privacy for the video. Oh, it just rendered. That's great. As soon as it renders, it just starts downloading the video for me automatically. And as you see, it already did that. So it's 9.5 megabytes. And I can also, if I want to download it again, I can just click on this download button. But as I was saying, you can set the privacy for the video by clicking on this button and setting it as a private video, or anyone with a link can view the video. So if you want to share the video, you can just copy the link and send it to whoever you want to share the video with. But do note that with Lumen, let me just mute the video right here. With Lumen, the free plan, if you go to the end of the video, Lumen gives a shout out to itself. But if you want to get rid of that, you need to upgrade to a premium plan. But yeah, that's about it. This is how to download a video from Lumen 5. Hope that video is helpful.